Hi everyone! Thank you for joining this on-demand demo. My name is Mina Springler. I'm a sales engineer with Perfecto, here to give you a quick platform tour on how to get started and hopefully highlight some of the features that makes Perfecto the market leader in the mobile testing space. As you can see here, I'm already logged in. All you need is your cloud URL and a username and password, and you're able to get started. We'll start our tour on this left tab over here, Manual Testing tab. This is what I would say that we're most commonly known for, is the real devices in the cloud. As you can see in this particular cloud, we have 87 mobile devices and an assortment of Android as well as iOS. As you can see here, all of which are residing in one of our 6 data center locations. In order to open up a device, I would just click on the device I want to acquire. And you can see here the availability changes to in use when the device is acquired. Now looking at the device here, you have full control over the device, similarly to the way you'd manually test in your hand, except through your browser on your computer. Installing applications, you can either install your APKs or IPAs through pulling from our repository, or you can drop it from your computer as well, or install from the App Store, right? In order to run your automation, you can copy the capabilities just with a click of a button. As you can see, there's different capabilities you can denote. You can get as specific or as general as you desire. So if I just wanted to hit maybe an iPhone of, as long as it's iOS 15, I don't care which version, then maybe I would do, a regular expression, 15 dot star. Or you can get as specific as the device ID itself. As you can see, the device name is the UDID. Perfecto itself is what we call open integrated. We're not specific to the framework you use. Essentially, as long as you're able to configure your scripts in your test runner, whether you're using TestNG or Maven, to point to our devices through those capabilities, you should be able to run your automation on our devices. All you would need in addition to those capabilities are your security token as well as your cloud URL. In addition to these real mobile devices, Perfecto also offers web testing as well. As you can see, we have Mac OS, Windows OS, we support N-10 versions in browsers, as well as virtual devices or emulators and simulators. A highlight about Perfecto's mobile device lab is that we have same-day availability for all new devices as well as new OSs. So let's say the iPhone 14 does come out tomorrow. You could have that available and supported in your cloud by tomorrow. Quick things to note about our devices as well. You could have audio capabilities as long as audio is enabled on those devices, and you can also have SIM cards installed. So if you have any flows that use texting or calling, you're able to have carrier networks attached to these phones as well. Lastly, to help you get started, we have many different support documents as well as getting started modules to help you. So as you can see here are some of the different frameworks we support, as well as documentation to them if you just click on these links. Another thing we offer are our code samples in our GitHub. It should take you no more than, I would say, 15 to 20 minutes to get a sample project running. And lastly, to highlight our support. Our support is 24/7. I think the highest priority tickets have an SLA of 15 minutes, so we're here to help you in any way we can. Thank you for joining.